Here's a list of the 4 question format types. We have multiple choice questions with a single correct answer, multiple choice questions with multiple correct answers, sequencing questions, and questions where you complete a table. Firstly, we have multiple choice questions with a single correct answer. These are the traditional multiple choice question. You're given a question with 4 answer choices, and only one of those answer choices is correct. Next, we have multiple choice questions with multiple correct answers. You're given a question with up to 5 answer choices, and there could be 2 or 3 correct answers. But don't worry, because on the test, the question's directions will always inform you of how many answers you need to select if there's more than one answer. After that, we have sequencing questions, where you have to put events or the steps in a process in the correct order. With these questions, you'll drag and drop information from one area of the screen to another. Are you taking the TOEFL iBT soon? Then I invite you to take our course. Unlock the TOEFL iBT Mastering the Test online preparation course. It's a fully online, self-paced course that comprehensively prepares you for every section of the TOEFL iBT. It has engaging readings, expert video lessons, interactive quizzes, proven strategies, hundreds of practice questions, 2 full-length online practice tests, and individualized feedback. With this course, you'll have everything you need to ace the TOEFL iBT. For more information, the link to the course page is in the description below. Lastly, we have questions where you complete a table, where you have to match information to its correct category or list correct information by placing check marks in the table. The video you just watched is a small segment from a larger lesson in our TOEFL iBT series. For more help with TOEFL preparation, I encourage you to check out the full video and the rest of the series. Links are in the description below. You can also get a free PDF of the full lesson, which includes all of the key points from this lesson, a quiz, and extra free resources to help boost your preparation. Just click the link in the description below, enter your email, and you'll immediately receive the PDF. As always, until next time, students, keep exploring, keep learning, and let the world be your classroom.